Hey, you're going on safari. I am so thrilled for you. So exciting. It's going to be a wonderful journey, and I want to help you pack. So today I'm going to go over different options for making you completely comfortable and making you get your packing perfectly right, because that's important. I've been traveling to Africa for 34 years. My name is Lori Robinson, and I lead and design safaris for clients, and I've been doing that for about 14 years. So I've had a lot of practice packing to go on safari, and I want to show you today what I pack. This time I am packing for being in Africa for a month. I'll be doing 2 back-to-back safaris in Kenya. It is one of the most frequently asked questions from all my clients is what to pack, and the reason it's tricky is because there is a weight limit. In Kenya, the weight limit is 32 pounds because we're going to be flying on bush planes, small bush planes, and they do have restrictions on how much weight you can carry in your luggage. And that 32 pounds is including the weight of your luggage. So let me show you what I do. I pick a color scheme, and I would recommend something muted, either grays, tans, khakis, greens, and make sure they all match together so that you have different outfits you can put together so you don't get sick of what you're wearing, and you can take less and keep the weight down. And also look for clothes that are lightweight, and so like hiking material things like this. This is from North Face, or this is Columbia actually, and it goes with everything. You can unzip it if you want to have a pair of shorts instead of pants, so it's doing double duty. And then I bring 2 just below the knee hiking pants. They're not shorts, but they don't show my knee, and they are culturally appropriate because anything above the knee for women in East Africa is considered a little risque. So I bring 3 pairs of pants, and although they do laundry at the camps, they dry them outside on the line, and so you want to try to lean towards lightweight clothing so that it dries quicker. Then I bring a long-sleeved shirt that I can wear over any other shirt, any t-shirt or short sleeve shirt or no sleeve shirt, and it gives me some sun protection and it matches everything. And so I'll wear it over my t-shirts. This time I have 3 different t-shirts. These are both cotton, and this is one of those lightweight from REI hiking shirts that matches everything. And then I have no-sleeved shirts, just a cute little striped one that I love wearing. It's easy to wash. It's a light material. An undershirt, and then some little exercise shirts that I like wearing underneath my longer sleeved if it's a hot day, and then as a layer when it cools down at night. It does cool down in Africa. People always think it's going to be super hot, and it really isn't. So you need to check your computer weather channel and see what the weather's going to be, and you'll be surprised, because in Botswana and Kenya and Tanzania, depending on when you go, of course, but if you're going during the good season to see all the animals, it will be cool at night. So you want to have options for layering. So I'll layer with my t-shirts and these, and I also have a sweater that I can put over, and I can wear this on the plane as well. Because I'm the safari leader, I bring this. This is unnecessary for you guys, but I bring this vest, which is full of a zillion pockets, and I can put all kinds of things, notes to remind myself about things about what the clients need, or tipping stuff and all that kind of thing. So, and I bring my favorite hat. If you go online to my blog, savingwild.com, you'll find all kinds of things about Africa, including my favorite hat, how to choose it, why I chose it, and I've been wearing it for years. I also bring a little beanie because it does get cold at night and in the morning. And then I bring, from one of my favorite camps in Kenya, in the Masai Mara, I bring just an extra hat. Shoes. Shoes are really important. People always ask me, should I bring hiking shoes? No, you don't need to bring hiking shoes. They're heavy, they're bulky, and they're not necessary unless you're going to trek with the gorillas or the chimps, or you have trekking or hiking specifically on your itinerary. In general, though, you do need to bring closed-toed shoes. So these I wear on the plane. They have a really good arch. They're from Taos, and I just love them. They're canvas, they're light, and I can get them dirty and I don't care. And they're really comfy, and I can wear them on my wildlife drives, and I can wear them, like I said, on the plane. And then when at night, when I'm in my tent and I want my feet to be more airy and loose, I'll just bring a pair of flip-flops. And sometimes I'll wear those to visit other people at their tents, you know, around. But in general, you want to wear closed-toed shoes. And that is a bathing suit, this green one, which I said I'll wear under my kikoi. And sometimes I bring a belt just to fancy it up at night if I'm feeling like I want to look a little, you know, fancier, if we're having a little celebration for one of the clients for their birthday, a special dinner or something like that. Or if I have meetings before my safaris or after with some of the conservationists there, I'll dress it up with a belt. But in general, that's it. It gets cold, whether you're in Namibia or Botswana, Kenya, Tanzania, it can get chilly at night. And so you may want to replace some of the long-sleeved options I showed you in the last video with a thermal long-sleeved shirt. And this is a 3/4 thermal long-sleeved pant that you could put under your pants in the evening, or you can even wear them with your pajamas like I do if it's a super cold night. So here are my pajamas. Just a long-sleeved, sort of long cotton shirt, very simple. And so I can wear that either with or without the long underwear. I'm going to wear these on the plane. These look fancy, but they're just really simple. They're like fancy yoga pants. They're stretchy and they're super lightweight, and I can wear them at night because at night you can wear black or navy blue. It doesn't matter if it's a cold evening. And this is a great option. It's called a down sweater by Patagonia. I love them, but this one is just so used and so old and so dirty. I can't get it clean. So I decided to wear and bring a regular sweater this time, which I showed you in my last video. After 14 years of planning safaris for people and leading safaris, you know, I change it up all the time because I go every year. So these are Merrill, cute little optional second pair of shoes in case my first pair of shoes get muddy, rained on, and they take a day to dry. I definitely recommend you take some socks that are above the ankle because if mosquitoes love you, and if they're there are really not that many bugs. People are surprised, but if they love you and want to find you, they will, and they'll find your ankles. So you want to protect your ankles from mosquitoes. Definitely you need sunglasses. These are not optional, but what is optional is I like to take a holder, sunglass holder, because I'm always taking my sunglasses off to put my binoculars or camera up to my face and my eyes, and so this will hold my sunglasses around my neck. If mosquitoes love you, you might want to take a citronella candle that you can burn in your tent in the evening. Optional but highly recommended are a couple of baggies of all sizes. These are plastic, which I don't like. You can get those smaller sandwich bags that aren't plastic. Bring a couple of those and a couple of bigger ones. They're great for wet things. They're great for putting a dirty Kleenex on the wildlife drive. I always bring Kleenex because you never know when they're going to be out of Kleenex wherever you go. I love bringing a bandana. This is just a cotton one that I wrap around my neck and tie a knot. Or you could bring a warmer one. This is just a very simple tube one that I wrap around your neck for warmth. I also mentioned last time that I bring a kikoi, which is just a fancy sarong. It's East Africa's version of a sarong. It's cotton. I can wear it for all kinds of things. I could wear it as a skirt with a t-shirt during the day. I could wear it to go to the pool, wrap around my bathing suit, and I could wear it as a shawl in the evening for extra warmth. By the way, if you want the whole packing list, go to savingwild.com, sign up, and then send me an email, LoriSavingWild@gmail.com, and ask me for the packing list. I'll be happy to give it to you. Another thing that I think is optional, but I like to take, mittens, certainly heavy mittens for warmth are optional, but I like to take sun gloves, protect my hands from the sun, but also keep my hands a little bit warm since I don't take the warm mittens. And then my fingers stick through. These are fingerless, and then I can still take pictures or use my binoculars kind of thing. And I take an extra pair of glasses, a tiny pair for reading. You definitely need a flashlight. I found this rechargeable one. That's kind of cool, so you don't need to take extra batteries. Or you could take a headlamp, which are cool for reading at night in your tent because there's not a lot of light. And then definitely you need, this is not optional, you need a plug adapter. Oh, this is optional, but not for me. My lips get super red and dried out because I'm always sticking my head out of the truck and air go on my face and my lips. They get red and chapped. And then water bottles. They do give you water bottles now at the camps, but you never know when you're going to get one. So I bring a tiny one for the plane because I'm always drinking a lot of water and I don't like to use plastic bottles. And then you can definitely decide, these are just some options. You definitely need something, you need a camera bag, okay? My binoculars, my camera, and my telephoto fit in that bag. And then I'll bring an extra bag like this for when I'm on my wildlife drive and I can carry Kleenex, hand wipes, my passport, I put in there, my extra glasses, whatever. And this is a great bag for that. But you could also just put everything into a bigger bag that you carry on the wildlife drive. So this one I'm going to carry on the plane this time. It's a really cool bag. I just got it. You can use it as a backpack, or you can just carry it like this, and you can stuff everything in there. So then I wouldn't need these two bags. I would just need one. But if you like to have things pretty separate, you could have a camera bag and then an extra tiny bag for little extra things. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have any questions, I would so love it if you would put them in the comment section below, because I will answer them. And when I answer them, other people can see, because we all tend to have the same questions, and then we can all see the answers there. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it's helpful. I hope you have a great, great time in Africa. And give me a comment below on where you're going or where you want to be going in Africa. What country? Safari and Jema.